Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a neon text effect on Canva. So I'm just going to type in neon here, maybe for the background and stuff. Let's use, okay, that's a video. Let's use like this one maybe. I don't know. I'm just going to lower down the opacity. I am just going to color the background black as well. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Then I'm just going to get text here and I'm going to add a text box. And I'm just going to type in the word neon. You can obviously type in whatever you want. Go to the effects section and select neon. You can adjust the intensity here and you can also change the color of your neon sign here as well. I want to do pink because I like pink. Then go to the fonts here and maybe find ones that are like outlines. Like these ones. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!